usually my strolls, but on a fresh Friday, it's me, my bow and hoe. Rolling on Rialto in my blue limo. And if I see you fired up, then I just say, let's go. You pick the place, the party, the plush hotel. Just bring your boy and your hoe, that'll suit me swell. A bottle of champagne to make the party right. A lot of girlies and some boy, and we'll get full tonight. We'll get higher and higher till the night clock chimes. You say you wanna join, bring your nickels and dimes. Pop the cork of the champagne, I'm about to get full. Got my whole damn posse, cause I got full. Getting blowed on the road while I'm out on tour. Without my boy and my mix, riding insecure. I sent my homie for a bag, came back with a trick, parsley and a sack. Brother, you been dead.
Me, my bow and hoe. Me, my bow and hoe. Me, my bow and hoe. Me, my bow and hoe.
But stop the 1.5, cause the bows arrive. Who's got the herb? They bring the party alive. I take some grass from a bag, roll it up, then I lick. Hit the fire, smell the smoke, get my whole weed kicked. Put some gamers on the corner screaming right over there. What you need tonight, dog? Got the good bow square. Roll them up and pull them in, I'm up for Beauregard. Get down with it, then hit it, because the hoe is hard. Hit the J, then play, let the bow come slow. I need a break from my dogs to get with this hoe. I pack a Uzi in my back from a hood HP. I got my bow and my hoe, and yes, of course, there's me. Lost running up my back, thinking I'm packing whack. They didn't know it was bow. I'm with my hoe in the sack, chillin' most, I'm the host. All my dogs are hip. I said Toro to the bull. Then I took a sip, walked in the gig, looking fly, freaks cutting the eye. But I can deal, party's here, what the hell, I'll try. I took a doobie from my Louie that I had left, past the Cheryl, but she Earl, so I hit it myself. Saw my dog gave a depth, then I walked through strong, so I could crack on the DJ to play my song.
Me, my bow and hoe. Me, my bow and hoe. Me, my bow and hoe. Me, my bow and hoe.
Me, my bow and hoe, matching to the extreme. To the hoes, I'm daddy, to the bow, I'm king. I'm packing pumps for the chumps who don't support the trade. I'm loading caps in the snap cause I'm ready made. Blowing J's and things, it just be that way. I blow my reefer in an hour, then you're doing a day. Matching hard with my hoe and a 10-cent bag. I got the urge to splurge because this place is a drag. Getting bent to the point that my eyes hang low. Hello world, it's all about that bow. In a party, G down, stand by the speaker. Get some skins from a friend and roll up the reefer. Let the fire take me high, cause my mood is word. You got a match, I got the papers, and I got herb. Cruise some fields, cause I'm chill when I roam in the hood. Let the J play, because the feeling is good. Got the laws in my drawers, cause I'm running this camp. Got someone by the jet, cause I was packing an ounce. Rolled a joint in the park, 9 inches long. Got my boy and my hoe, and Chris Cole got gone.
Me, my bow and hoe. Me, my bow and hoe. Me, my bow and hoe. Me, my bow and hoe.
2 o'clock, parties rockin' bass, kicking with me. I'm getting wild off the bow, now it's time for the chicks. Roll a J, feeling hip, just acting a fool. In the mood for a dip, I took mine to the pool and fired it up cause I was ready for a coolie high. Because it's bow, you know, yes, the only way to fly. And if I can't get to it, I don't get ill. I just find a new hoe and go for sesame meal. My homie passed me a J, I had to leave it alone. Seeds popping like corn, must have been homegrown. No, I'm not a pimp, cause my girl is my hoe. She's there for satisfaction, my reefer's to blow. In my hood, well known, king slangers of cane. Mac Daddies, rolling caddies, pure uncut slang. The neighborhood Peter Piper's head strung on crack. The dollar bill, y'all, the only way to the lack. Pull out your jokers, all smokers, I prefer zigzag. It's a party, I'm fiending, pull a J from the bag. My bow is booming, yes, and my joints are large. My herb is a bird for a hell I charge. Take the joint, it's going, I try to keep the bow lit. Break the mix for a minute, give my DJ a hit.
Me,